guys, I'm Cynthia.
And I'm Nguyen, and welcome to SFGoodwill Holiday Table 101. Today we like to share 4 fun tips on how to curate a holiday table. The first tip would be table color palette, which should match the seasonal color. Now we have orange and yellow, and to complement that color we have olive and light green. Our next tip is how to pick a style for your holiday table, whether it's traditional or modern. We decided to mix both, and to really elevate the table, we decided to pick glassware with gold trim.
The next tip is how to create a beautiful holiday centerpiece. The pumpkins and wreath can really make your table really fun and festive. I also use different size candle holders to stagger the pumpkins and bring dimension to the table. Our final tip is how to create a place setting. I added a gray placemat to bring the pop of color to life, and I added different sizes plates to bring more of a dynamic look.
Thanks for watching our video on how to create a holiday table.
Don't forget, you can find these items at your local Goodwill stores in San Francisco, San Mateo, and Marin County. And happy holidays!